Here's how to troubleshoot Discord login issues when you encounter an invalid login or password error. So first, you need to go ahead and try both email and phone number. If you have both linked to your account, try logging in with an alternative method you haven't used. And also double check your typed email and phone number and your password correctly. A small typo can cause this error. And after re-entering your credentials, try logging in again. If the issue still persists, your password might be incorrect. It's worth checking your password manager, as this is a common reason for login failures. So tap on the three dots in your web browser, go to Settings, now select Autofill in Password and select Google Password Manager. From here, you need to open the Discord website section, enter the PIN, and you can tap on this eye icon over here to reveal your password. Then you can copy it and manually log into your Discord account. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. And if you still cannot log in, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Your Password, which is highlighted in purple color. Click on Forgot Your Password, then go through a verification process. And Discord will send you a link in your email where you can go ahead and tap on it to instantly log into your Discord account without any password needed. And then you can reset your password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.